Welcome to your language studio and welcome to our new series, Intermediate English. I am teacher Sari and I am going to help you learn and practice your English. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Also, I want to remind you to please download the worksheet that you have in the description. Remember to work on the exercises before, while, and after you watch this lesson. In today's first lesson, we're going to focus on adverbs of manner. Let's start! Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari. First, let's review. What is an adverb? Simple. Adverbs are words that add more information to other words. Listen. Adverbs can add information about adjectives. My friend is really nice. Really is your adverb. Adverbs can also add information about other adverbs. The artist is painting so nicely. So is your adverb. Finally, adverbs can also add information about verbs or actions. She drives fast. Fast is your adverb. With this analysis, let's focus now on adverbs of manner. Listen to the following sentences and pay attention to the use of the adverb of manner. Henry is driving carefully. She is walking slowly. Mary is writing fast. As you can see, we're using the adverbs of manner to describe how an action is completed. Listen. The girl reads fast. How does the girl read? She reads fast. Yesterday, Josh was talking nervously. How was Josh talking? He was talking nervously. The woman walks slowly. How does the woman walk? She walks slowly. So how do we form adverbs of manner? Easy. We use adjectives. Listen to the following rules. For most adjectives, we add ly. Slow is slowly. The woman walks slowly. Careful, carefully. The students study carefully. For adjectives ending in y, happy, happily. The choir sang happily. Angry, angrily. The man was talking angrily. We also have irregular adverbs of manner. For example, good, well. The woman rides her bike well. Fast, fast. The man drives the car fast. Hard, hard. The boy is stomping hard. Pay attention to the position of the adverb. We usually place the adverb of manner after the principal verb. The woman is walking slowly. It is raining hard. The boys studied carefully. Perfect, we have finished for today. What have we reviewed? We analyzed the use of the adverbs of manner. Remember that the adverbs of manner tell us how an action is completed. The children are resting calmly. The woman is walking slowly. It rained hard. We also analyze how we form the adverb of manner. For most adjectives, we add ly. Careful, carefully. Slow, slowly. For adjectives ending in y, happy, happily. Angry, angrily. And irregular adverbs. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Good, well. Don't forget that the adverb of manner is placed after the principal verb. Now practice using adverbs of manner to describe how your actions are completed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next English lesson. Bye!